All right, everybody, welcome back to the trade recap. Today was probably the worst day of my life, but yeah, let's get right into it. So we're gonna go straight to the Discord, like always. Is this even going to load? It does load. Wow, congrats. Okay, so from signals. All right, so I said today, right? We have only one thing we can do. We had already tapped this condition pre-market, and we could not go any higher, obviously, because there was something to target higher. So what can I do? I can set my condition. If this gap holds, we just place past the first one. We can target the second one. Pretty easy and pretty simple whenever we are in a range. Kind of a no-brainer. But yeah, from there, what did I look at? I looked at literally exactly that. Why is this saying that? Yeah, like what is it talking about? Sorry, got distracted here, guys. Sorry. So yeah, where was market open? Market open was this big bullish candle that set all these highs. There was an SMT with ES. At the same time, I was fully convinced at this time that we were going to go lower. Now, we ended up inversing this gap and continuing lower, and we were just it was kind of based off of a trend. If you guys look at this, right? If you guys look at, I'm not trying to like bring up trend lines, but like we're making lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. All of a sudden, we get a random retrace. I think any trade in here is completely valid. If you guys took this, right? If you guys took here, to I think it was like this. What is this? If you guys took this is fine. If you guys got break even, I completely understand. That is good. If you guys took there's probably a 30-second in there somewhere. If you guys took something like this, and then targeting here, that is also very, very good. Anything that is in here is good. In my opinion, In my opinion, this gap getting inverse right before the draw on liquidity, and then doing nothing doesn't make any sense. Like we should have completely flushed. We should have completely dipped down and dropped to our draw, which we almost went to this one, but we should have completely flushed. I don't know why we have to come up and retrace into nothing just to continue. It makes no sense. But yeah, that is basically those two trades. I think these were probably the ideal trades for today, even though they were a little bit worse in terms of getting break even. There were also some trades like this. You guys could have taken off of invalidation zone here, even here, or if you guys took something like this, any of these things are fine. You just do have to understand that we did just take a draw. We do not have to go lower at all whatsoever. So it doesn't really make any sense, we do not have to go lower. But other than that, there really is nothing. If you guys want to know what happened to me, go to my TikTok. We could talk about it on TikTok. But yeah, that is basically all for the recap. There's really nothing else after that. I mean, yeah, we did end up going higher, but you guys should not have been in the chart that long. Let me know if you guys had any questions in the comments down below or in the Discord. Peace out.